Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, July 23rd, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And wow, have we had some very stormy weather conditions over the past 24 hours. We've had power outages throughout much of central and southern New Jersey on through Long Island, flash flooding, tree damage, wind damage, a variety of structures damaged. It's been a rough 24 hours, and it looks like we're going to continue to see periods of rain through this morning, lingering on into the afternoon, maybe possibly even the evening hours. We'll watch that very carefully throughout the day. But again, we have some more heavy rainfall this morning. We have an area of low pressure basically just off the central New Jersey coast pushing into Long Island, with winds around that low pressure basically around 5 to 15 miles per hour, coming in from the south and southeast ahead of the low pressure system, and of course coming from the northwest behind the low pressure system. Now, these waves of low pressure are going to slow down the progression of this cold front. Clearly it won't be anywhere near as hot as it has been. We're going to be in the lower to mid 70s throughout the day. What you see is pretty much what you get for today, with temperatures throughout the region right now in the mid 60s to lower 70s. Look for them to rise into the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, with periods of rain continuing. When you take a look at our surface map, it really tells a story. Here's our cold front here with these waves of low pressure. This area of low pressure right here is what we're going to be watching out for next. As it lifts up along this cold front, as it's sliding off the coast, it has the potential to produce additional showers right along the immediate coast for this evening. But right now, I think that it's going to remain just far enough off the coast to keep that rainfall over the coastal waters, but not on the coast. But we'll watch that and update that this afternoon. After that, this high pressure system will be in control through the rest of this week into the weekend, providing excellent weather conditions and a much needed break in all of this wet and stormy weather. So, as we take a look at our satellite picture, now these colder cloud tops is basically a sign of cloud tops, rising up higher into the atmosphere. The higher they rise, the stronger the lifting. The stronger the lifting, the heavier rainfall. So, as you can see, we have plenty of pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall approaching the region, and we have one more that is trying to set up for this evening. Now, this part right here is trending such that it looks like it should end up right around here by the time we get to 6, 7 o'clock this evening, but we'll watch that very carefully as this cold front slides to the east coast. So for this morning, periods of rain, then we get more of a scattered type shower with the potential for some heavier downpours still, and then clearing as this evening as this back edge of the cold front pushes off the coast. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Again, periods of rain, temperatures rising into the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. By tonight, everything clears out, and by tomorrow morning, we got scattered cloud cover with lows in the upper 50s to mid 60s. The humidity really crashes tonight and especially tomorrow afternoon, with clear skies and highs in the mid 70s to lower 80s. It's going to feel absolutely wonderful out there with very low humidity. For Thursday, high pressure in control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies, lows in the mid 50s to lower 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Friday, high pressure remains in control with clear skies, lows in the lower 60s, highs in the mid 80s. On Saturday and Sunday, high pressure will be in control, sitting right over the region. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the mid to upper 80s. On Monday, high pressure will be off the coast, a little bit more humid. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. And on Tuesday, high pressure will be off the coast. This cold front will slowly approach. Look for increasing cloud cover. No rainfall yet. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. And then we're going to have to watch this cold front from the end of next week for the potential for more heavy rainfall, more training thunderstorms, and just the potential for more flash flooding. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.